Yeah.
Okay, good morning. Our team is conformed by Alonso, Pedro, and me, Brenda, and we're going to talk about hunger. For this survey, we interviewed 12 people and asked them to answer 10 questions about hunger in their countries. The first question was, what do you think hunger is? And the majority of them answered that it is when people do not have enough money for buying their food. When we talk about hunger, we talk about people who live in a chronic hunger and they are not able to cover their needs because of the lack of accessibility of food in their countries or because of poverty. Hunger can occur in three main situations: undernutrition, which is when people do not take enough calories to cover their physiological needs; malnutrition, which is when people have an inadequate consumption of protein, energy, and nutrients; and wasting is the result of a disease, which is a serious malnutrition with extreme weight loss.
The second question was, what do you think? Do you think hunger exists in the region? The majority answered yes, and some of them answered maybe. No one answered no. The third question was, are you aware of this problem in your context? Many people answered yes, yes I am, but almost half answered I don't think I'm very well informed, even though more than half answered that yes. Fourth question was, how much do you know about hunger? Most of them answered that they know the basics. Some answered that they done some research, and a little of them answered that they didn't know anything. Fifth question was, have you experienced it in firsthand? Most of them answered that no, but a little part, 8.2%, answered that they have. Sixth question was, do you think hunger is a big threat to society and why? Some people answered that yes, well, most people answered that yes, and the main problem that they found was because it involved a lot of the society, so it was a huge problem for all of us, even though some of them didn't have experienced it in firsthand. Another question was, do you think the authorities are doing something about it? If yes, how do you think they're doing? Most of them I saw answered that no, but the ones that answered that yes said that it wasn't efficient, like they didn't did enough or the government are not doing enough to stop hunger. Another question was, how much importance do you give to a problem? As you can see, most of them says it worries them.
We asked a lot of people why you think hunger happens, and they give very variable questions, but in general, there was only one thing, that people didn't have the resources or the money to satisfy their main needs. What people suggested to stop hunger is that a lot of people think it's a government problem to raise minimum salary, and instead giving food, make people to teach them ways to obtain it, lower the prices, make community dinners, etc. But I don't think that's enough. Then let me show you our solution. Our solution to stop hunger will be a social change. What I mean with that? I mean is that we need people to change for the miracle to happen. Because in that way, if people know what is happening around the world, they will try to change it for a better future. Thank you.